Political leader of the Innovative Democratic Alliance, Dr. Denise Tsoiafat-Angus, speaking on the Good Morning Show, expressed concern over the adequacy of the current Tobago Autonomy Bills. She questioned whether the voices of young Tobagonians were meaningfully included in the process, noting their visible presence yet likely limited involvement in shaping the legislation.
Former THA presiding officer and political leader of the Innovative Democratic Alliance, Dr. Denise Tsoiafat-Angus, weighed in on the ongoing conversation surrounding Tobago's autonomy. In an interview on Tobago Updates, she questioned the adequacy of the proposed legislation. She raised concerns about the lack of youth involvement, parliamentary oversight, and the broader purpose behind the island's pursuit of self-governance.
Tobago bills are not adequate as they are being presented. I came in here today and I looked around at the number of young people you have in here passing in and out, and I asked myself, how many of them were able to weigh in on those bills?
Dr. Tsoiafat-Angus stressed that with changing dynamics in employment, technology, and social issues, young people bring unique perspective that must be reflected in the shaping of the island's constitutional future.
But at least 95% of them, I'm sure, did not have that opportunity. And so what we are looking at is, if this election you had 5,000 new voters coming to the poll, and when you look at the timing of how many voters we've had over time, you're talking about 12 to 15,000 new youth and young adults who should have an interest in this, because we now have shifts in how employment is being laid out in terms of careers, in terms of AI, in terms of the social issues, crime. All of these things impact your views and your experiences and what you would want to see in the Constitution.
She questioned why Tobagonians truly seek autonomy, emphasizing the need to understand the deeper purpose behind the movement, and urged the public to reflect on what it should mean politically and in shaping Tobago's identity, governance, and future.
Why do we want autonomy? Whether it's autonomy, self-determination, or whatever, why do we want that as a people?
Dr. Tsoiafat-Angus pointed out that in many countries, larger parliaments compared to cabinets ensure stronger oversight and accountability, something she says is missing in Tobago's governance. She stressed that true development and effective public service delivery require this balance. She said Tobago's autonomy must extend beyond legislation. Kimberly Mitchell, Tobago Updates, Television News.